Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a Edgy AMV effect for edits using Capcut app. So you can try to use these edgy effects on your projects in the Capcut. If you don't have Capcut, please download and install on your phone. This is free. And don't forget to sign in. Let's try tap the project here. And in order to give the effect, you can tap on your video and tap effects. Here you can tap video effect. Here there are some free one or some the pro one. If you feel you will have a funds to subscription, please subscription to get a pro effect. So here you can type Edgy and wait for a moment. Here for example, the Edgy, you can tap and adjust like the speed, a chromatic aberration, and longitudinal chromatic. You can try to adjust. And here's for example, this is the result. Sorry, it's a bit laggy for now because after update my CapCut a bit lag. So this is the Edgy effect. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.